Hi everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in this Lippan artwork video. Let's get into the details right away. Here is the 8-inch MDF base, that's 20 centimeters. I found the center, drew two circles. Circle number 1, the radius is 2.5 centimeters. Circle number 2, the radius is 8 centimeters. And about the angles, 0 and 180 falls here. This is 60, this is 120. Same thing is what I have followed in the other part of the circle too. Now I'm going to draw a leaf kind of a pattern. So what I did is I found the center, not with any measurements but just with hand and eye coordination. Now what I'm going to do is I'll draw the pattern now. I'm going to draw some arcs here. This is the pattern that I'm going to fill it with in the other empty spaces too. I opted to draw the design first because I'm going to place the clay on this design and paint both the base and the clay in the same color. The clay is now fully placed on the design, so I'm going to let this dry for 1.5 hours, that is 90 minutes, and then start painting on it. Now I have painted both the base and the clay in green. I'm going to let this dry for at least half an hour. Now I'll start placing the mirrors in this circle. Here I have few eye-shaped mirrors. I'm going to place them here. So let me first place the Fevicryl glue. So now I just have kept small dots of fabric glue. I'm going to place the mirror on them now. So now the mirrors are placed beautifully in the center. So I'm going to decorate it with some dots in white color. Now I have few diamond shaped mirrors here. I'm going to place them within the petals. I have placed the mirrors. Now I'm going to decorate it with some white color dots. Now that the 6 big petals are over, I'm going to place mirrors in these smaller places now. So I'll keep one dot in the center and then 2 dots on either side. Now I'll keep some more dots. In the outermost space, I'm going to place some triangular mirrors. Let me place the glue first. So I'm done with placing the glue. Now I'll place the mirrors. I'll decorate the remaining space with some dots. I'm sure all of you loved this particular Lippan artwork, and thank you for watching this video.